Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're gonna learn how to withdraw money from eToro. If you don't have an eToro account, we will put our affiliate link in the description below for you to sign up and get $50 when you start trading. However, if you already have an account, open the website, then sign in with your username or email and password. Once you're signed in, you will see several tabs on the left side menu. Click on Withdraw Funds tab. Then, a pop-up window will appear where you will enter the amount you wish to withdraw. Enter the amount you wish to withdraw. After entering your desired amount, click on the Continue button. Choose the bank account where you want the money to be transferred. In this video, we chose Fifth Third Bank. After choosing, click on the Submit Request button. Now, a message will appear saying that your money is on its way, and will take 2 business days to be processed. That's how you withdraw money from eToro. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos related to financial apps almost every day. Also check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.